just start?
Hi, Krishna here. Like whatever you do.
Acha, intro you want me to give?
So why am I holding this now? What is wrong with you? So hi guys. No, I didn't see that.
So we two intro there.
Okay, hi guys. Today I'm doing it. Okay.
Today Krishna
Hi guys.
Start.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Hi guys. This is Ride with Krishna. With Krishna. Today we're going to go again with soul traveling, and we are going to Chorao Island. Last week we covered Diwar Island. We're going to go to Chorao Island now, and I don't know what's going to be there, but it's raining and Krishna is driving.
Show them the roads. It's amazing. Okay, switch them.
So this is what's happening right now.
It's like this in Goa everywhere right now.
So let's see, let's hope for the best. So Krishna is doing a reverse today. Krishna, are you confident?
Now I am. The last one was like kaboom.
Last time you also. Okay, here we go. We're going, taking a reverse, but I think he would be better at.
पूरा बम्पर पीछे का निकल के आ जाएगा.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, this was much more easier, I feel. Good job, Krishna.
So guys, today we'll be going to the Chorao Island. I know it won't. Chorao. I'll be doing a voiceover.
We are going to Chorao Island.
खाता कौन है?
It's hot.
Yes, so today, first of all, welcome to Soul Traveling and Chorao Island. Today we are going to explore the famous Chorao Island and explore know all the secret stories. Maybe visit a couple of places which haven't been explored or unseen.
Hello.
And yeah, so our host for today is Mr. Mayuresh Narvekar. He is from Thali, and he is the one who has curated this trail and who's going to take us around. So let's hope for the best. Even I am coming for the first time here and I don't know much about this place. Let's see. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
So that's how we'll be starting today. So that's how shoot is going to be today. So this looks quite beautiful. No, Krishi?
It looks amazing.
That's our OP cinematographer. No life jackets at all. Solutions like
केदार मी तर तिला एक्सप्लेन करता मरे करा मागीर मरे point each side. Yes, perfect.
You got that on your video or something?
tour on the island in the mangrove backwater.
Guys, I don't know how much justice this camera is doing, but then in reality this looks beautiful. Beautiful. See, camera है आगे. Bye, Krishna. Good girl. E-rewards.
Around 50 participants per month, and we were in Jan 2019, we were at 600 per month. So yeah, weekends lot of Goans used to join, and weekdays lot of foreigners and Indian tourists. Majorly South Goa hotels now they join, because the ones who stay in South now have seen the party side.
Next time we will come and clean this set.
Mountain or
This one lovely color. Just go, no? Go from you. Huh? Go.
Where is Baba?
Crematory, no?
No, not
Okay, so it has ASI's board. Something Portuguese era. Oh, it's a jail? Oh, fuck. The gate got closed on me. What? Nice. Call ASI, man.
Hey, wait, Krishna!
The gate fell on me. Guys, be careful. There's.
छोड़ गेट को.
गिरा मेरे पे गिरा वो.
गेट पड़ ली.
हाँ.
छोड़.
Doom. मार पाड़ लाओ. Mario, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
I'll add you in now.
Okay.
I'll delete these people. It's a jail? Jail.
No, not it. No.
Hey, there's a board over there. Just read and come.
Ah, it's
Even there it is not.
it's a lighthouse.
No, not a lighthouse. So we can see only this part currently here standing. But if you have come here around 400 years ago or more than that, you could see everything was the whole thing from the place where we came.
Okay.
So even that place belonged to this particular thing, and
So guys, we have left the island. Now we are going to have lunch, and I'll be showing you guys our famous fish curry thali of Goa. That's like the staple food of Goa. Sorry, I'm really sleepy right now because I just had sleep for 1 hour last night. So yeah, Krishna, what is the name of the place which you are going?
So the name of the place is Vinayak, and it's in Asagaon. And I think by far that's the best fish thali that I've had. So
The fish thali I had the best was Rids. So yeah.
Yeah, also I would rate Rids also.
Rids was
like
good.
it's
so
good.
I never tried this one.
We'll be seeing Vinayak in a while. That there is road congestion, which is really nice.
ये छपरी लोग देख पीछे, इनका अलग ही swag है.
Oh, see, yes. We have the fish thali here. The delicious fish thali.
Fish thali looks really delicious. They cheaped out on the size of the fish. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Smells good. I still would lean to Rids for smell and the way they present. So only taste can change it maybe. Let's try it. So guys, we are back with the video. So this is a continuation of the same video. Made the thali, fish thali from Vinayak, which was, Krishna, how was it?
I think it was good. I mean, I think just because we were hungry, it was good. But the first time that I went, it was awesome. It was awesome.
So do you want to recommend our subscribers if they visit to Goa, to go to that place or to Rids Classic?
No, I would tell them to go to Vinayak too because it's worth it. I mean, the calamari masala fry is lit.
Yeah, that one was amazing.
It's amazing.
The calamari fry was really great, but the thali on scale 10, I would give it like 4.5. How about you?
I would give it 6.
6 on 10. That's fine. So please do visit this place, Vinayak restaurant.
Yeah.
It's in Asagaon. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the vlog. Make sure you please do subscribe, like, share, and comment down below how you like the vlog and what else you want to see in Goa. Ghanti bhi baja dena, the bell icon. Stay tuned to Ride with Krishna along with Krishna.
Okay guys.
Stay tuned for another vlog. See you soon. Krishna, what is another vlog? Shut up. Next is again Chorao.
Oh no, I thought your next one was Chorao, no?
No.